Hey Baker fam! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we turn your passion for baking into profession. और आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं एक delicious eggless pineapple cake that is soft, moist and tender at the same time. ये केक इतना टेस्टी है कि I'm sure it will be a hit among your friends and family. But before starting the recipe, make sure कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, so that you guys can stay updated with all our upcoming videos. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम अपना स्पॉन्ज बनाएंगे। इसके लिए we'll grease 2 6-inch round baking tins with oil and place butter paper at the bottom. अब हम स्पॉन्ज के लिए इस बोल में सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स को सीव कर लेंगे, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ऑल पर्पस फ्लावर, followed by sugar, baking soda and salt. अब एक दूसरे बोल में हम सारे लिक्विड इंग्रेडिएंट्स को मिक्स कर लेंगे, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम मिल्क, followed by water, oil, melted butter and vanilla essence. Now I'll gradually add this mixture to the dry ingredients. And we'll mix both of them thoroughly until we get a smooth batter. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं हमारा बैटर रेडी है। We'll now transfer it to the prepared baking tins equally. अब हम इन्हें बेक करेंगे 180 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे for around 30 to 35 minutes or until toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Meanwhile, we'll make the frosting. यहाँ पे मैं simple sweetened whipping cream use कर रही हूँ. But if you want to explore flavors, आप हमारा white chocolate buttercream भी use कर सकते हैं. Link for which is in the description area. So we'll beat this whipping cream until we achieve soft peaks. Now we'll make the soaking syrup. For that, we'll add vanilla essence to water and mix. So all the elements for the cake are ready. Now let's move on to the assembly. Our sponges are baked properly and has completely cooled down. We'll first demold them, then divide them into two parts using a cake leveler. Now on the cake base, we'll pipe some of the whipped cream and place one layer of sponge. And soak the sponge with soaking syrup. अब हम इसके ऊपर अपनी फ्रॉस्टिंग पाइप करेंगे एंड स्मूथ कर लेंगे। इसके ऊपर हम अपना पाइनएप्पल कंपोट ऐड करेंगे। So for the recipe of this pineapple compote, check out our other video, link for which is in the description area below. अब इसके ऊपर हम एक स्पॉन्ज प्लेस करेंगे and repeat the same process as before. Make sure to soak the top layer as well. So the layering of the cake is done. Now we'll crumb coat the cake. For that, we'll pipe whipped cream all over the cake and smooth out. Now we'll keep this in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes for the frosting to set a bit. So our crumb-coated cake is out of the fridge. Now we'll give it a final coating. We'll pipe thick layers of frosting all over the cake. And we'll again smooth it out and remove the excess. Now for decorating the cake, we'll run a cake comb through the side of the cake like this. Make sure that you do not press the comb too much or it may scrape off the frosting from the cake. Now we'll give borders by using star nozzle at the bottom of the cake. And pipe dollops on the top using 1mm nozzle. We'll also place fresh cherries, and lastly place pieces of pineapples on top. And here you go guys, हमारा पाइनएप्पल केक तैयार है। I really hope आपको ये रेसिपी पसंद आई है। अगर आई है then do like, share and subscribe to our channel and check out our other recipes. And tell us in the comment section what you want to learn next. Till then, keep baking.